Good morning. I'm Tommy Holmes, and we're here today at the offices of Holmes Law to discuss some real estate transaction matters and concerns. Everybody's heard of caveat emptor, which is buyer beware. But what about caveat venditor, which is seller beware? In Texas, the seller has lots of duties to disclose things that are either known to him that the buyer is concerned of, or that are general concerns or problems with the condition of the property or the structures on the property. Many of these things and forms that are promulgated are found under the Texas Property Code 5.008. Many of these things that are outlined can be including of appliances, equipment, fixtures, conditions of buildings, conditions of driveways, parking structures, things of that nature. And this is in regards to both commercial and residential properties. Of course, sellers of commercial properties have much more at stake because of the value is likely much higher. Other things to look for are also inspection reports. You want to see if there's any conditions that are known or that could be discovered. This might vary from mold, mildew, that can be harmful or not harmful, but could damage the structure, termites or other bug problems, rodent problems, things of that nature. Even flooding, like from Harvey that happened recently here in Houston. Other things that might be of concern are utility easements or title issues. Some of these could be cured and taken care of by purchasing title insurance through other places such as Old Republic and places of that nature. You'll also have other concerns such as the property description. You'll want to have a survey done if there wasn't done recently, or one that hasn't been done in the area since utility easements or other things have changed, either the ingress and egress, the coming and going, or the other structures of the area, the community, depending on whether it's residential, commercial. Ourselves or other attorneys can help you assess that. Chain of title, as mentioned earlier, which is done a lot more in depth in mineral transactions, which we will discuss in another video. But even when you're doing real estate transactions with title insurance, it's important to perform due diligence on the seller, the property, perhaps what was done and is under FEMA regulations of floodways, or whether there's environmental concerns from previous operations on the property. You also want to search both the county where the property is as well as surrounding areas. One thing you also want to be wary of is once you sign the contracts for the sale of the contract and the potential buyer or now the contracted buyer takes possession, typically that means in Texas they are responsible and liable for the premises. You'll want to have insurance that covers that and perhaps other things. We can help you with that as well as insurance agents. One thing to be cognizant of is when using a real estate agent that isn't an attorney, to be careful of what their duties are and who they're working for. There's other things that we can help you, including reviewing specific laws to Texas and where your property is, evaluating risks and concerns, and other follow-up services, as well as closings in our offices or at the title company's offices. In any event, please contact us here at Holmes Law or visit us at our website.